Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. How to calculate percentage change in Excel. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. First of all, select the column or the row you want to have the percentage changes in, and then what you need to do is make sure you select Home at the top and go and set the format to percentage. Then go and click on the cell where you want to go and start with the percentage changes and click on equals as the writing your formula, press on open bracket, and what you then need to do is select the final value. In this case that's in C3 for me. And then press minus and go and select the first value, which is B3 for me. Then you can go and press and close bracket, and then you want to go and put a slash as we're dividing it and go and select the first value again, which is B3. Then I'll go and press enter, and that's it. We've now calculated it. I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.